Hey, what is up, YouTube? If you want to make money online and you don't want to show your face, I have the perfect solution for you: an AI avatar. If you're a cooking influencer, for example, you can make an avatar that looks something like this.
Welcome to Jeneline's Kitchen. Today I will be using my favorite recipe to teach you how to make banana bread.
And have her go out there and make that online money for you. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy to follow method for creating an AI avatar for free. Start off by navigating to virbo.wondershare.com, then click sign in. If you don't already have an account, click on create account. Once you're in, click generate video. Hover your mouse over the create video button and select either a portrait or landscape aspect ratio. From here, search for the avatar that best suits your needs. Next, tap background on the left and select a suitable background for your avatar. If you click text, this will allow you to add a text field to your video. If you click the music tab, this gives you the ability to add background music from Virbo's catalog, or you can click the import tab to upload your own music. Next, you can create a script that you want your AI avatar to read. Then, you can click the language icon to pick the language or accent that you want your avatar to speak in. You can then press the play button to get a preview of how your avatar sounds reading the script.
Welcome to Jeneline's Kitchen. Today I will be using my favorite recipe to teach you how to make banana bread.
You notice that you don't see it moving its lips or hands. That's because it won't be animated until you click the export button. Once it's exported, you can click on it to get the full preview, including the lip and body movement. If you're satisfied with what you see, you can go ahead and hit the download button at the bottom right. There you have it. You now know how to make an AI avatar for your anonymous social media channel. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking on my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.